Hi guys, it's Miss Ashley and I'm really excited. This Sunday I've got a craft. We're gonna use glue, a lid, some food coloring, and a toothpick. Are you guys excited? Let's get started. Hi guys! So for this craft I'm using some white glue and some food coloring, just 1 drop of each. And a lid. This is a pasta sauce lid, but any lid will work. A hole punch if you've got it, and a little piece of string. So the first step was to add the glue to the lid. Now I made sure not to put too much, just enough glue that covers the lid. And I want to make sure all of the lid has the glue, so I tilt it back and forth till it's all covered. Next, I'm adding just 1 drop of each of my food coloring. Now I'm going to take my toothpick and I can make some designs. Now the color is going to spread as the glue is drying. So you can make some designs, but just keep in mind that the color will grow. I wanted to make all sorts of color combinations, so I mixed them and swirled it with my toothpick. Now the trickiest part is the waiting. The glue takes a while to dry, but it should be done within 2 days. Once it's dry, you can pop it out of the lid, and it's this awesome, cool, circle-shaped ornament. You can use it as a sun catcher. It looks really cool up close. Well, I hope you guys had fun. We'll see you next week.